Add insult to injury. Add insult to injury. It is an idiom. It means to act in a way that makes a bad situation worse. That is, to worsen an unfavorable or uncomfortable situation. In other words, to further hurt the feelings of someone who has been already hurt. That's really bad, right? Let's see this in the examples. The first one. First, they lost the match, and then, to add insult to injury, one of the players was suspended for cheating. There are two incidents. First, losing the match is bad. The worst thing is one of the player was suspended. This is really to add insult to injury. So making the bad situation worse. The second sentence, they were already stranded in the middle of nowhere without any conveyance. Then, to add insult to injury, it started to rain. The problem became more complicated, right? They lost their way home. They are somewhere without any facility, and to add insult to injury, to increase the problem, then it started raining. It is nothing but worsening the situation. The third one, not only did the company suspended him, it also penalized him rupees 1 lakh as a punishment. That's adding insult to injury. Not only suspending the person, it also penalizing the person. It's really hurting the feelings of that person. It is really adding insult to injury. Already that person was suspended. Again he has to pay 1 lakh rupees. That's really adding insult to injury. The fourth one, I was already getting late for work, stuck in the traffic, and to add insult to injury, I was stopped by the police for speeding. It's a common sight in traffic areas. So already you are late for the office and police stops you. You are late already, that is a bad situation. And if police stops, that's really worse situation. In that case, you add insult to injury. The fifth one, people were forced to work longer hours, and to add insult to injury, the company decided not to give pay rise. Company is asking the workers to work for long hours. That is a bad situation. On the other hand, it is not raising their salaries. That is really add insult to injury. That is making a bad situation worse. It's very bad, right? So when it comes to the origin of this idiom, this is an ancient idiom which is taken from Roman writer Phaedrus' story, The Bald Man and the Fly. The Bald Man and the Fly. The story goes like this. A bald man tries to hit the fly that has landed on his forehead. He gave himself a heavy blow while he was trying to crush it. But then the fly jeered. As a result, he smacks his own head instead. The fly tells the man, "You want to kill me for a mere touch? What have you done to yourself? Now that you have added insult to injury." So there are two losses for this bald man. The bad situation became the worst. So this idiom was first recorded in 1948 in English language. So finally we understand that to add insult to injury means to act in a way that makes a bad situation worse. That is to worsen an uncomfortable or unfavorable situation. That is to hurt the feelings of somebody who has been already hurt.